On April 7, 2025, President Donald Trump announced a 125% tariff on Chinese imports, a bold and controversial move. Markets tanked, crypto collapsed, and within 72 hours, Ethereum rebounded nearly 12%. But why did Trump do it? And could this actually be good for the U.S. economy in the long run? Let's break it all down. U.S. markets in turmoil. Wall Street reacted instantly. 1. The S&P 500 dropped 4%. 2. The Dow sank over 800 points. 3. The Nasdaq lost 5%. These are not minor moves. They reflect investor fear of higher costs, strained corporate profits, and slowing global demand. Why Trump did this? Why would any president drop a 125% tariff, knowing the market might panic? Here's Trump's logic. 1. Reshoring manufacturing, bringing jobs and production back to American soil. 2. Punishing unfair trade practices, accusing China of undercutting U.S. industries. 3. Reducing dependency, forcing U.S. companies to look elsewhere for critical goods. It's a protectionist move designed to prioritize long-term national strength over short-term global integration. But there's a flip side. 1. Prices could rise for U.S. consumers. 2. Exporters may face retaliation. 3. And financial markets often react negatively to trade uncertainty. Even economists are split. Some say it strengthens U.S. competitiveness. Others warn it could slow growth and trigger a recession. Recession risk rising, the warnings are stacking up. 1. Goldman Sachs cut its GDP forecast for Q4 to 0.5%. 2. Recession odds now sit at 45%. 3. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon cautioned that the move could hit American families with higher prices, especially if China retaliates. Trump is betting on long-term gain. But it comes with real short-term risk. Canada hits back. Canada imposed 25% retaliatory tariffs, hitting key U.S. goods like cars and machinery. 1. Prime Minister Mark Carney warned of cross-border economic shock. 2. The Bank of Canada reported rising recession fears among Canadian firms. This isn't just a U.S. gamble. It's a continental ripple effect. Crypto gets crushed. Crypto didn't escape the turbulence. 1. Bitcoin dropped over 5% to $76,600. 2. Ethereum, Solana, and XRP lost over 10%. Why? Traders treat crypto like a risk asset, and when confidence drops, it gets sold off fast. Ethereum surprise surge, but on April 10th, news broke that Canada might lift tariffs if the U.S. does too. The market snapped back. 1. Bitcoin, BTC USD, actually fell by 3.6%. 2. But Ethereum, Ether CAD, surged 11.8%, climbing to CA$2,345.34. It wasn't just hope. It was momentum, fueled by dip buyers and speculative optimism. Paris Blockchain Week and global takeaways. At Paris Blockchain Week, speakers connected the dots. 1. Macro policy. 2. Market liquidity. 3. And how crypto now reacts to global economic moves, just like stocks were in a new era, where trade policy and blockchain are part of the same ecosystem. So, is Trump's tariff strategy a smart long-term move or a risky political play? It could restore U.S. manufacturing, but it might also tip the economy into recession. Markets are watching, crypto is reacting, and everyday investors are caught in the middle.